This is Monty with Country Living. We're out here at the creek. We're down at Shit Creek, and I'll show you the waterfall. Great view, and this is my lovely, beautiful bride. But I'll show you the beautiful waterfall down here. This is where we love taking our kids so we can go riding, and just so the kids can have a good old time. There's a couple of my kids, and again, that's my beautiful bride and our other kid. But this is Shit Creek at the waterfalls. You got a big waterfall hole right here where you can actually go swimming in. You just cannot jump up down off here. You have to climb down, and you have to climb, and then a big old swimming hole. But don't jump, because it's only 6 feet deep. You'll break your neck. But look at the waterfall. That is an amazing view, and it's beautiful out here. See, there's my youngest son, oldest son, our middle son, climbing down to the creek. Being crazy as himself always. Be careful. This is Monty with Country Living, and here's again my son climbing back up the waterfall. But this is where we like to bring our kids. This is like where we like to go. It's beautiful for the family to come out here, swim, fish, ride trails, ride mud, and ride the creek. So, again, this is Monty with Country Living. Please like and subscribe.